In the early 20th century, the world was engulfed in a massive conflict known as World War I, a war that reshaped nations and altered the course of history forever. As alliances formed and tensions escalated, countries rallied their forces, leading to unprecedented levels of destruction as front lines shifted across Europe. In the midst of chaos, leaders strategized endlessly while soldiers clung to the hope offered by letters from loved ones, reminding them of life beyond the battlefield. Amidst the horrors of battle, brave nurses worked tirelessly to save lives while memorials emerged forever, honoring the sacrifices made by countless soldiers. In the heart of battle, soldiers charged fearlessly into the chaos, driven by courage and a longing for home, while their memories of family fueled their resolve. After years of relentless fighting, world leaders gathered in a pivotal moment to negotiate peace, resulting in the signing of the Treaty of Versailles, forever altering the political landscape. As the dust settled, former soldiers found solace in their reunions, symbolizing hope for a brighter future while grappling with the scars left by the conflict. Communities came together to honor their heroes, unveiling memorials that served as reminders of bravery and loss, ensuring that the sacrifices of the past would never be forgotten. Generations later, the stories of courage and sacrifice continued to be passed down as educators and veterans alike sought to instill the lessons of history in the hearts of youth. As the world moved forward, the pursuit of peace became paramount, with nature reclaiming the land and symbols of hope, reminding humanity of the possibility for unity. In an effort to learn from the past, nations came together to discuss cooperation, while communities celebrated peace, highlighting the importance of unity and diversity. Art became a medium for expression, depicting the journey from war to peace, while children released messages of hope into the sky, signifying their dreams for a harmonious world. In quiet moments of remembrance, communities gathered to honor the past, while veterans found solace among one another, forging connections through their shared journeys. Museums became gateways to the past, inviting people to explore the artifacts of war, while innovative educational methods allowed children to connect with history in immersive ways. In the heart of the community, a new peace garden was created, inviting reflection and connection, while a plaque served as a poignant reminder of the ongoing commitment to harmony among all. As communities united in action, they planted trees that symbolized their hopes for the future, nurturing a generation dedicated to fostering peace and understanding. Young people rallied for change, taking to the streets with their powerful messages, demonstrating that the spirit of peace and unity could resonate loudly across generations. Local artists came together to create a stunning mural that celebrated diversity and collaboration, showcasing the power of creativity and spreading messages of peace. Activists gathered to express their desire for disarmament, using their voices to call for a world where peace is prioritized over conflict, fueled by the hope for lasting change. In search of knowledge and understanding, couples and individuals participated in discussions about conflict resolution, nurturing a generation equipped to advocate for a more peaceful world. The community came alive with a festival that celebrated cultural diversity, where laughter and music filled the air, emphasizing that peace thrives when traditions are shared and embraced. Candlelight vigils illuminated the night sky, serving as a powerful reminder of those lost to violence while fostering collective healing and a commitment to peace. At the local school, students expressed their aspirations for a peaceful world through art, transforming their creativity into a powerful tool for advocacy and change. Residents gathered at the library for an open dialogue, exchanging personal stories and brainstorming solutions to create a more peaceful and connected community. During a solemn memorial ceremony, community members honored the legacy of those who championed peace, uniting in remembrance and reaffirming their commitment to continue the fight for harmony. In a dedicated workshop, mentors equipped young individuals with essential conflict resolution skills, empowering them to engage in meaningful conversations that pave the way for a peaceful future.